Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering in Windows 11. Before getting into the solutions, always make sure when you have an issue like this one to check for loose connections or damaged cables. This can happen quite often and we tend to blame the issue on other things, so make sure first to check the cables out. The first solution to start with is to update the graphics driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. In the following window, double-click on Display Adapters to expand it, and then right-click on the needed driver and select the Update Driver option from the context menu. Now click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will now try to locate a better driver and install it. In the same time, you can also use Windows Update. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon, and in here make sure to select Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right pane click on Advanced Options. Now just select the optional updates and then you can check if you have any updates available. If not, you can also visit the manufacturer's website. For this, you just have to be aware of what kind of graphics card you have and then visit the manufacturer website. There you'll find all the latest updates for your graphics card that should solve any screen flickering issue. You can also roll back driver updates or reinstall the driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. In here, just expand the Display Adapters category and right-click on the needed graphics driver and select the Properties option. In the following window, click on the Driver tab and then make sure to select the Rollback Driver option if it's not grayed out, and simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the rollback process. In the same Device Manager window, you can also opt out to completely reinstall the driver. Just right-click on the needed driver, then select the Uninstall option, then make sure to tick the checkbox for attempt to remove the driver for this device, then simply click on Uninstall. After the device is uninstalled, just restart the computer, and once it restarts, Windows will automatically install a fresh driver for the graphics adapter. You can also select a lower refresh rate. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon. In here, make sure you select System from the left pane, and then on the right pane proceed with clicking on the Display category. Now scroll down until you find and select the Advanced Display category under Related Settings. Finally, click on the drop-down menu next to Choose a refresh rate, then select a lower value from the available options, and after changing the refresh rate, verify if the screen flickering problem is fixed. Another useful solution is to update the incompatible or problematic apps. For my example, I have taken Google Chrome, so just access a new window in Chrome, then click on the ellipsis at the top right corner, hover the cursor over Help, and select the About option. You will see that any available updates are listed here and will be downloaded. This is a general solution, so make sure to just try updating the problematic app that causes the screen flickering. You can also uninstall the incompatible or problematic apps. To do this, press the Windows button, then type Apps and Features and select it from the search results. And in the Apps and Features window, simply identify the problematic app, click on the ellipsis next to it and select Uninstall. Now you can simply proceed with the on-screen instructions. And lastly, you can also perform a system restore. To do this, press the Windows button and type rstrui and select it as a command from the search results. In the System Restore app, select the Choose a different restore point option and then select the earliest point you have in the list, and lastly simply press on Finish to initiate the restoration process. And that's it, plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.